Hi, I'm Scott with Starkey Family, Fixing Rigging Up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Now this is going to be a very short video, but I want to show you what a rim looks like when it has a crack in it. Now, this is why it's important to make sure you do a pre-trip. You see this crack right here? Look at that. That has actually started from the little hole for the stud for the lug nut. If you don't do a pre-trip every day and a post-trip at evening, you'd never find this. I happened to find it, and now the whole rim's gonna have to be changed on here. So what could happen is this right here could cause the whole rim to shatter out, and eventually it would shatter out. I'm Scott with Starkey Family, Fixing and Rigging Up. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And I just want to give you a reason why to make sure it's important to do your post trips, your pre-trips. If you're stopped at a company, if you're at a rest area, if you're eating, whatever. Check your equipment out during the daytime. It's very, very important. A car could have been next to me and that rim could have blew out. A motorcycle could have been next to me and that would have been really bad. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and check out my other videos. Have a great day. Thank you.